Hi everyone, this is Vic and today I'm just going to show you guys about this design. So one of my followers asked me to crack down this design. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So in this design they have used 3-inch painter's tape. So here I'm going to use 1-inch masking tape to do this design. If you guys follow this, it will be really easy for you guys. And I'm going to let you know guys what are the materials needed. Paintbrush, scissors, blade, masking tape or painter's tape. So if you guys use painter's tape, the quality will be really superb and it will be really professional. Masking tape is only for training purpose. And let's get directly into the design now. Let's move on. So the design came really well and it was really superb. So if you guys really want some designs to crack down, just send me or mail me. I will crack down those designs and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon on next video.